If you want to use the built-in VPN in operagx, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on VPN in operagx, how to make sure the right privacy setting is enabled, and how to confirm that it's working properly in your browser. This is a really useful feature if you want a more private browsing experience without installing extra extensions or apps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open operagx and look to the top left corner of the browser. Click the Opera logo to open the main menu. From there, go down and click Settings. If you prefer, you can also use the settings page directly, but the easiest method is through the Opera menu. Once the settings page opens, look for the VPN option in the sidebar or search settings until you find it. When you see VPN, select it and turn the VPN switch on. This enables operagx's built-in VPN feature so your browsing traffic can be routed through the browser's secure connection. Now, here's the important optimization step that many people miss. Look directly below the main toggle and make sure Bypass VPN for default search engines is turned on. This is the setting that helps keep your regular gaming searches fast and accurate, while still protecting the rest of your browsing. With this turned on, search engines like Google or Bing can still give you local results, but everything else stays private and routed through the proxy. After VPN is enabled in settings, you'll notice a small VPN badge appears on the far left side of your address bar, right next to the reload arrow. That badge is your quick access shortcut. Click the grey VPN badge to open the VPN panel. Inside that drop-down panel, you'll see a large power button. Click that power button to activate the VPN connection. Once it turns on, the badge will immediately light up blue, which tells you the VPN is now active. At that point, your operagx browser is using the VPN properly, and you can keep browsing with that extra layer of privacy. If you ever want to turn it off, just go back to the same badge and toggle it off from the panel. It's that simple. So to recap, open the Opera menu, go to Settings, enable VPN, turn on Bypass VPN for default search engines, then click the VPN badge and press the power button until it turns blue. That's how to use VPN in operagx the right way. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy browser tutorials and gaming tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.